The value stream mapping workshop is where we bring lots of different perspectives together to understand the end-to-end process of the organisation or the department that we're working with. And the reason we want lots of different perspectives is when we look at it, we always focus on our own area. So the more people involved, the more chance you've got of getting all of it. So we take them through that. There's a few warm-up exercises to get people thinking a bit differently, but then we take them through what's reality to them and splice it all together so that we've got a good sense of the end-to-end. And why do we do that? Because very often people focus on the more obvious parts to improve, whereas actually we know about 80% of any value stream is probably the wait, just waiting for things. So 2%, 10% improvement on the 20% is a 2% gain. Actually a 10% reduction in just wait times, just getting decisions made faster, making sure people have the work when they can action it, can have a significantly different impact for very little technological change. Redesigning the process around it, but it's about understanding where we are and designing the interventions. So the workshop moves from understanding the process to how do we make the changes, which changes do we think are going to have the most impact. So it's about collecting data, it's about understanding, but really it's driving towards action. How can you as a client do something different to improve your process?